On Monday, 2nd December 2019, while he was within the precincts of the Assembly, at 11:25 hours, a registered usher of the Supreme Court, Mr. A.S. Samtali, handed him an election petition which had been purportedly served on him, stating that by so doing, Mr. Samtali, registered usher of the Supreme Court, has, in his opinion, committed an offence in breach of Section 6(1)(t) of the National Assembly, Privileges, Immunities and Powers Act, and requesting that I proceed accordingly. Having considered the circumstances reported to me by the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Energy and Public Utilities, and copy of the return available at the registry of the Supreme Court filed by Mr. A.S. Samtali, registered usher of the Supreme Court, provided by the Marston Registrar upon request, in relation to the service of true and certified copies of a notice in denunciation, together with election petition and judge's order on Mr. Kolenda Velu in person, found at his office situated at Government House, Port Louis. I now take the view that an offence may have been committed in breach of Section 6(1)(t) of the National Assembly, Privileges, Immunities and Powers Act.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in the light of your ruling, I move that the matter whereby Mr. A.S. Samtali, the registered...
I'm raising a point of order, Mr. Speaker. A point of order. The least you could do is sit down.
Which section are you referring to?
I'm referring to the very simple and well-known section that this matter is sub judice, because there's a case before the court, and when it is sub judice, it cannot be raised here. It is before the court. It's a live issue.
The minister, so the deputy minister will take his responsibility. Carry on.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Date on 2 December 2000.
Can honorable members sit down, please? Listen. There is a motion before the House. Those who want to listen, they can listen. Those who don't want to listen, you can contest it in the Supreme Court. The Assembly, they have... Please, I am on my feet. You cannot, you have no right, Honorable. You have no right to speak from a sitting position. You have no right to sit. You have no right to speak from a sitting position. No right to stand. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, continue with your...
Don't scream at me.
You will not shout also. You have no right. You have no right to usurp. You are usurping the right of the House. You are usurping the right of the House. You are usurping the right of the House. So, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, continue with your motion.
The point of order. You have just read, on a point of order, you have just read a comment that the Honourable Deputy Prime Minister referred to you to an incident that has happened on the 2nd of December. You have also said that you have checked the record. May I seek the guidance of the Speaker and find out at what time was this notice supposedly had been served? So, no, it is a point of order because...
Listen. This is not a point of order. This is not a point of order. The point of order should come from the standing order. The point of order should come from the standing order. There is nothing in that. Nothing in that. I am on my feet, honorable members, not in a sitting position. You can't shout in a sitting position. You are shouting also. No is speaking from a sitting position. No 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 speaking from a sitting position. Respect the House. You have to respect the House. You have to respect the House. Respect standing orders. Respect standing orders. All honorable members. This is what you have in standing orders. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, continue with your motion.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. In the light of your ruling, I move that the matter whereby Mr. A.S. Samtali, a registered usher...
Order, please! Order, please! Order! Order, don't shout! 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 Don't shout! Shout! It is against standing order. Don't shout, Honorable Bhagwan. Don't shout against standing order. It is against standing order. You sit down. You sit down. This is my voice. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, continue with your motion.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the light of your ruling, I move that the matter whereby Mr. A.S. Samtali, a registered usher,
Can you please sit down? Can you withdraw the word coward?
I'm not withdrawing the word coward. He is one.
One time. Are you? Please sit down, leader of the opposition. You withdraw the word coward. It is unparliamentary.
I say again, what he is doing when there's a...
I need no explanation.
I'm talking.
I don't need any explanation. This is the standing order. This is the standing order. This is... Order, please. Order, please. Order, please. Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout. Order, please. Standing order. Order, please. Order, please. Order, please. I am on my feet. Order, please. Order. 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 You said the word coward. Can you withdraw it? You have to withdraw the word coward first.
I'm saying something, Mr. Speaker, sir. Allow me at least to speak. Then you can scream at me.
No, this is against standing order. This is not a word to use in Parliament.
Mr. Speaker.
This is not a word to use in Parliament.
Please.
And we cannot negotiate.
Allow me 10 seconds. Allow me 10 seconds. What he has done...
You sit down, I am on my feet. You sit down, I am on my feet. Honorable member, Honorable Shakil Mohammed, this is the standing order. It is unparliamentary, the word coward. And so you have to withdraw the word unconditionally.
What I say is...
No explanation. No explanation. Standing order, no explanation. No explanation. You withdraw the word coward.
I withdraw the word coward.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, honorable member. Thank you very much. No. Please resume your seat. Resume your seat. It's okay. Resume your seat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You can't stand. What?
So add LY to it, and I'm not withdrawing that.
And so you withdraw your word a second time. You withdraw your word a second time. You withdraw your word, Honorable Shakil Mohammed. You withdraw the word coward a second time.
Added the letters LY to it. It's not the same word.
There is no explanation. You withdraw the word coward or cowardly. You withdraw it unconditionally.
I withdrew the word coward, but so cowardly. He's cowardly.
So, Honorable Mohammed, I have no other alternative than to ask you to withdraw from the chamber. Wait, please. Wait, please. Leader of the opposition, let the Honorable withdraw from the House.
And he's a coward.
Thank you. Deputy Prime Minister, continue with your motion. What section are you referring? What section of the standing order you are referring?
I'm telling you, there's been a word which is unparliamentary.
I am asking you what section
Mr.
for the
Speaker,
point of order. It should be related to section.
This is the temple of democracy, and you have to.
This is not a point of order.
You have
Leader of the opposition, please sit down. Leader of the opposition, please sit down. Resume your seat. This is not a point of order. This is not a point of order. This is not a. Don't show me fingers. This is not a point of order. So, Leader of the opposition, you disrespect the chair. One time, Leader of the opposition, you're challenging the authority of the chair. Second time, Leader of the opposition, you're challenging, and you withdraw. Withdraw. You withdraw from that. Yes, you withdraw. You withdraw from the chamber. You withdraw from the chamber, Leader of the opposition. You withdraw from the chamber, whatever. Whatever, this is standing order. This is, honorable members, this is standing order. You withdraw. You withdraw. You withdraw. You withdraw from the chamber. You withdraw from the chamber. Let proceedings continue. You withdraw from the chamber. You withdraw from the chamber. So this is one time. Honorable Leader of the opposition, withdraw from the chamber. Second time. Honorable Leader of the opposition, withdraw from the chamber. Third time. Honorable Leader of the opposition, I am naming you. I am naming you. I am naming you, Leader of the opposition. Leader of the opposition, I am ordering you. I am naming you.
I will go with the support of the police.
So, Sergeant at Arms, get ready. Sergeant at Arms. Honorable members, I suspend the sitting for 15 minutes.